Hi! We're here at Quimara, Salvacion, Nueva Valencia. Yeah, the fields of Nueva Valencia. Look at that. It's nice. Hayaan mo na ang soba because it's dirty. Diyan kasi naliligo ang mga kalabaw. The view is so nice. I'm gonna walk over there, over the tree. Yan yung kakatanim lang na humay. They're plowing the field. Yan. The green one is already growing. The rice is already growing. Look at this. Ang sarap ni hangin. You see that? It is so nice. You see the soba? Overflowing that big tree. This is the soba. It's not very clean. Kasi panay ulan dyan. Hi Ella! Say hi Ella! Makoy! Hi! Say hi!